Here's a little video showing you how to use Splice, an app that I use often for my fitness and recipe videos. First, you're going to click on Start a New Project at the top middle of your screen. Then you're going to pick out whatever videos have to do with your project. So I actually take short videos of myself working out or cooking or what have you, and then I go back in Splice and I choose those videos and then edit them or crop them within Splice. I named my project seared tuna recipe, and I clearly can't type recipe. Then I click the check button and I click create project. Now all of my videos are all in a row, one big long video of all the videos that I took while I was doing my recipe, and look at that, 2 minutes and 48 seconds. Ain't nobody gonna watch a video for 2 minutes and 48 seconds. So what I need to do is I need to crop this down and change the speed of some of the videos so that I know exactly how long this video is going to be. And typically you really don't want it to be more than like a minute. And my workout videos, I don't do more than about 10 seconds. Believe it or not, people who are watching Instagram videos and stories are not watching them for more than typically about 3 seconds. So these recipe videos, people watch a little bit more, but you never know. So if you want to play with the cropping of it, you just click on the video like I just did right there. It's blue. I can scroll through by moving my finger from left to right, see what the video is all about. Do I want to crop this? Do I want to change the speed? And as I'm looking through this video, I'm seeing that most of this I need to be talking through. I need to actually be saying words as I am adding ingredients to the bowls. So I'll add that voice over later and I'll show you how to do that. But there's not really much I can crop here. There's not much that I can do about the length of this video until I get to the very end. Then I realize that I can kind of crop out that last bit of pouring the lemon juice in, and that'll save me a couple of seconds at least. So I can move my finger from right to left in order to crop that particular video, and it will actually allow me to make that video shorter. Now this next video that I'm going to click on, you just literally click on the next video over where you see me stirring up some stuff, and on the bottom of your screen you can see where you can scroll from left to, where you can change the speed, where you can change, or you can put a voice, where you can add different things. Here, I'm just going to change the speed, click on speed, and speed it up by moving my finger from left to right. And it just shortens that video to like 1 or 1.5 seconds. And then I can just press play and I can actually see that it's much faster and much more efficient. Again, click on the next video and I'm like clicking on it and I'm looking at it. I'm going, wait a second. This is not the video that I like wanted to show. This is like not that video. This is a different video that I was not meaning to show. So here this is like, I have everything in my refrigerator that's like all messy. What is this video? So I want to delete it. So I go in the bottom right-hand corner after clicking on the video and I scroll all the way to the right and I just click delete. And it just goes ahead and deletes that entire video for me when, I realize that I put a video in there that maybe I don't need. Now I have the stirring video, and now I have my next video, which is the video I wanted in there after I organized my refrigerator. But I realized the beginning of the video has like a little bit of extra thing to it, so I just want to crop that out. So again, I just slide my finger from left to right until I get to the stuff going in the refrigerator. And then I just look through there, make sure everything else looks good, da-da-da. Next video. This is like a minute of me adding salt and pepper to these dang tuna steaks. So I want to speed this up. So again, you click on that, you click on speed, and then you just speed it up, make it a little bit faster. And by speeding it up to like 10 times the length, I changed it from about a minute to about 4 seconds. And I was able to, really cut down on how long my video is, but still keeping the same point. This next video, I'm looking at it and like, I didn't really do a very good angle. What am I doing? Like that's the floor, like that's the tile. Like this video doesn't make any sense. So again, I'm just going to choose to delete it and not really use it in my tutorial. I don't think it holds any value. And I think that, it's not something that I need to use in the video. The next video, I'm going to keep that length because here I can use some time to explain what I did, how I, actually had the tuna searing in the pan for a minute, and then I added the cilantro sauce. I could maybe crop down the last part of it a little bit. And then what I did is just clicked through the last part of it, which was my plating. I simply just sped up the last couple videos because it's like literally me just plating food. So I click on it, click on speed, make it shorter. This last one is just me adding sauce, whatever. So I can literally just, speed those up and make them much shorter. Now I realized I wanted to add a picture to the end of like the end result, which I actually didn't have a chance to do. So I'm going to scroll all the way to the end, make sure my yellow cursor is there, click on media at the bottom left-hand corner, and then add that bottom picture at the bottom of my camera feed that is the final product picture. And that will be on there for 3 seconds that I can talk through. You can also go all the way back to the beginning, press play on the screen, see the whole video that you just created, and you can click on title and add a title to your project. If you want to record like I do for the recipes, just click on voice. And when you click on voice, it'll give you a countdown, 3, 2, 1, and then you can start recording voice over. Once you recorded something, just click stop, click on the little microphone. You can delete it if you don't like what you did, and you can also scroll further on in the video to record somewhere later on that maybe, you wanted to add a recording to that also. Don't forget to click on each of the recordings and turn down the volume so that you're not hearing your previous recording as well as your new recording. If you click on title, this is the screen that comes up. You just double tap to edit, and again, it will hold it there for 3 seconds while you talk over it. I hope this helps. I hope that you get some really good videos out there. Let me know if you have any questions.